That moment came actually at a very young age. I was a genetics researcher at Texas A&M where I went to school, and I was doing research, which a lot of us geneticists do. And I was in the lab by myself. I was having to do something called sterile technique to get everything cleaned and have completely sterile before I went to use it in the way that I needed to use it. To get you guys in a setting, I'm in a lab bench and I have a little container of ethyl alcohol that is worse than any kind of alcohol you've ever had. It's so strong. And I have a Bunsen burner with a flame going so that I can use a pair of tweezers to grab the equipment that I need to clean, dip it in the ethyl alcohol, then put it over top of the Bunsen burner that is flaming, and it's all completely normal. You're supposed to set it on fire, but the fire dies off after the ethyl alcohol burns off, and you have it clean. So I'm in the lab. I'm doing that. I'm probably on my last piece of equipment to do that with, and I drop it into the thing of ethyl alcohol completely on fire, burning. And I have one of those real freak out moments where I stand there for a second and I'm like, I don't even know what to do. Then I see a fire and I'm like, I'm gonna get the fire extinguisher. So I run to the fire extinguisher, realizing I'm not even sure I know how to work said fire extinguisher. And as I'm standing there with the extinguisher in my hand, I realize, wait, these lab benches are flame retardant. That flame is going to be putting itself out. So I just need to stop what I'm doing and let it do its thing and make sure I've removed any other ethyl alcohol that is now sitting on the bench. And sure enough, after a couple minutes, it burnt off and my heart rate came a little bit down because I was very jazzed at that moment. And no one wants to set a fire,
No.
especially in their work environment. I truly set a fire and learned a lot from that mistake that you will never make